Ever heard something that made you spill your tea, roll your eyes, or plain laugh out loud? Welcome to Say What Now TV, your place for daily content on tongue-slipping, mind-bending social issues and trending topics around the world. Be amazed, get annoyed, be entertained. Welcome to another episode of Say What Now TV. Today's episode takes us to the island of Barbados. Despite gaining independence 55 years ago, Barbados remained under British sovereignty until October 2021, when the Queen of England was dropped as head of state. This monumental milestone has placed Dame Sandra Mason in the pages of history as she became the first female and president ever for the island of Barbados. Dame Mason, who is currently the Governor General, will be sworn in on November 30, 2021. Barbados will then become a republic nation. What changes this will have for the country's economy is unclear. The Caribbean looks on in anticipation. Share your views in the comments below and be sure to like, share and subscribe. Also check out another episode of Say What Now TV. Do you have a burning issue that would shock or entertain our viewers? Share your scoop at saywhatnowtv10@gmail.com.